Hello, my name is Bill, and I'm coming to you from the Pseudocom Planetarium here at Adventure Science Center. This is the online edition of Nightwatch for January 2021. It's hard to believe we're already in a new year, and we'll start off with the moon phases for this month. The moon will be at last quarter on January 6th, followed by new moon on the 12th, first quarter moon on the 20th, and the first full moon of the new year will occur on January 28th. As we look at planets this month, we find that there are some changes going on in the sky. You may recall seeing the beautiful conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn last month. However, both planets, now that they're separating, are also moving toward the glare of the sun as seen from the Earth. So Jupiter and Saturn are now visible low in the southwestern sky at dusk. Take a look between January 1st and 10th for your last looks at Jupiter and Saturn. But don't worry, later on this year they will be moving back into our morning sky and then into the evening sky. The other planet in our evening sky is the red planet Mars, which continues to reside up high in the southwestern sky at sunset. You should have no problem at all seeing the fairly bright red-orange glow of the planet Mars. The moon will pass by the planet Mars on January 20th. As for other objects in our evening sky, we'll focus in on the constellation Orion the Hunter, which rises in the southeastern sky at sunset and is with us all night long. The constellation Orion is noted for the famous 3 stars in a row that mark his majestic belt. 2 bright stars mark his shoulders, and 2 more mark his legs and knees. To the lower left of the constellation Orion is his famous hunting dog, Canis Major. Canis Major is marked by the very bright blue-white star Sirius, and Sirius happens to be the brightest star in the nighttime sky. Of course, the brightest star in the entire sky is our sun, which gives us daytime. Now, if you have a pair of binoculars, or any size telescope, take a look beneath Orion's 3 stars in a row that mark his belt. There are several faint stars that mark the sword of Orion, and if you look with a pair of binoculars or a telescope, you will notice a fuzzy smudge of light. This is the beautiful Orion Nebula, one of the largest gas clouds that we can see in the sky. To your unaided eye, it looks like a fuzzy smudge in the sky, but binoculars and telescopes will show you some detail to this beautiful gas cloud, which happens to be the home for numerous stars that are being born and countless solar systems that are developing right before our eyes, deep inside that huge gas cloud. Now, there is one more planet in our sky, but you'll have to wake up early in the morning just before sunrise, and that is the planet Venus, which is also becoming increasingly difficult to see as it gets closer and closer toward the horizon during morning twilight. The moon will make a close pass to the planet Venus on the early morning of January 11th. Take a look around 6:15 a.m. if you have a good view of your eastern and southeastern sky. And don't forget, if you can't remember everything I've mentioned in this online edition of Nightwatch, you can download our star chart from our website. Also, you can check out our website for more information about all the programs, including our regular version of Nightwatch here at the Pseudocom Planetarium. Our website is adventuresci.org, and just follow the website to the Pseudocom Planetarium pages to find out about the numerous programs that we have here at the planetarium. I thank you for listening to this online edition of Nightwatch, and I hope you can visit us at the Pseudocom Planetarium.